What if a routine mission to the moon turned into one of the greatest survival stories in human history? In April 1970, three NASA astronauts, Jim Lovell, Jack Swigert, and Fred Hayes, lifted off from Earth. Apollo 13 was supposed to be NASA's third lunar landing. Nothing unusual, nothing dangerous, just another step in humanity's journey to the moon. But barely 55 hours into the mission, everything changed. During a standard procedure, a sudden blast shook the spacecraft. An oxygen tank had exploded. And then came one of the most chilling messages ever sent from space. Houston, we've had a problem. Lights dimmed. Oxygen started leaking into the vast emptiness of space. Power systems failed, one after another. Inside the tiny spacecraft, temperatures dropped close to freezing. The astronauts faced darkness, dehydration, and the terrifying possibility of suffocation. With the main module dying, the crew moved into the lunar module, a small lander never meant to support three men for a long journey home. Every resource had to be rationed. Every breath had to be calculated. Then a new threat appeared. Carbon dioxide levels began to rise dangerously. The filters in the lunar module didn't match the command module's system. But on the ground, NASA engineers raced against time, creating a strange-looking adapter from plastic bags, tape, and cardboard. It looked impossible, but somehow it worked. As Apollo 13 drifted through space, yet another danger emerged. The spacecraft was off course. With almost no power left, the astronauts performed a manual burn, steering only by looking at Earth and the Moon. A single mistake could send them into deep space forever. After 4 long days of fear and uncertainty, the damaged spacecraft approached Earth. The crew prepared for re-entry. Normally, radio silence lasts about 3 minutes, but this time, silence continued. 4 minutes passed, then 5. The world held its breath, and then, finally, a voice. "Okay, Houston, we're home." Cheers erupted inside Mission Control. Against impossible odds, all 3 astronauts survived. Apollo 13 never reached the moon, but it became known as NASA's successful failure, a mission that proved the strength of teamwork, resilience, and the unstoppable human will to survive.